We interrupt our current programming to bring you this urgent civil danger warning message. Civil authorities have issued this broadcast about a threat in your area. Please remain calm while we give you further instructions. In the last 24 hours, several reports about an unusual phenomenon have reached the local authorities in multiple states. This phenomenon seems to be linked to the sudden appearance of several entities that have as of yet been undiscovered and are being researched as we speak. After initial observations, these entities are hereby being referred to as gazers because of their unusual behavioral pattern. The gazer is an anomalous biological entity that seems to be emerging up from the ground in several, seemingly random locations. They also seem to be able to push through any kind of surfaces, regardless of whether they are made from soil or concrete. Gazers are about 1 meter in height, although some have been reported to be bigger and some a little smaller in size. These entities have an oval shape, reminding of an egg or a head sticking out of the ground. They have 2 large, black openings that resemble eyes, which seems the most likely explanation, due to their peculiar behavior. The only pattern of behavior that researchers were able to uncover so far is that the gazers seem to follow the movement of the sun, their eyes slightly shifting along with whatever position the sun currently is in the sky. If the sun sinks below the horizon, the entities seem to cease any kind of movement. Further research about their biological structure and other behaviors are required. However, some people have reported to start suffering from nausea and vertigo whenever they come into close proximity of the entity, so we warning the public to keep their distance and not approach the gazers until they are better understood. Please prioritize safety and remain cautious around these entities for the present moment until we relay new information to you. This concludes our civil warning message. Regular